this is an model which I'm not really sure which model is it, as this doesn't really look like a railway station. Like, the model isn't very classified as what is it. I'm not very sure, sorry to update you guys. So I will tell you if I found it somewhere. Whereas let's go on the first floor, because this is the main entry point where you see most of the things. You can see there that there is an elevator, this is an excavator, and from here you can go up and down. As you can see, I am going to take the excavator because I am going to be needing a lot of water, and I mean, I wanna take the stairs because it keeps me healthy a bit. But yeah, excavator are also good. You can see many marks. You can see many marks here. So the decoration I have so far felt is pretty gorgeous. I mean, you can see how dormitory rooms, cafe. So here you can see there are some private cafes, and this is in spa. Now let's go over there, and as you can see that the floor is pretty much empty, as you can't really find anything here. But there's sure and Madhya Pradesh tourism to promote the wildlife tourism here. And here we go much above the second floor, which I believe is the most, I mean, I won't say the most luxurious, but yes, it's the main area which you can find from here. And here we are. This should be the main level of the station, which we are going to explore the most out of every place. Here you guys can see what sorts of services they provide, like platform numbers, excavator, travel lift, drinking water. I mean, pretty much any basic needs that you need, including a kids zone and dining room for if you are very much tired or your train has been delayed way too lot. You can see from here that the trains are being displayed where they are coming. And here you can see the Buddha statue. I won't say Buddha statue, but I think it's believed the God's way of expressing himself, as I believe this is the real bamboo, and it's quite a remarkable part. Let's go over there and we can see what kinds of things we can find here. So there are many, I mean, we are going to see, guys, we are going to explore every little part one by one, so that when we explore all the things, then we don't really have to worry about what things we are going to miss or what things we are not going to miss, so that you guys can know that how well maintained the station really is. Here you can see there are many points of the drinking water. I mean, the smell isn't so good as I can smell from here. I mean, I am wearing mask due to my sickness of food poisoning, but overall you can see, well, I'm not really going to show you what is from the inside, but yes. Then from here we can see there are two lounges. This is an AC lounge, which is I believe only reserved for those people who have an reserved seat, and this is an women's AC lounge, which was only reserved for the women's. And I think that's all. So this is a mixed lounge, but I believe this is a male lounge, and that one is female's lounge.